Good day, Mrs. Annalyn. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Annalyn Superio. I'm 27 years old. I'm a single mother of 2 kids. My son is 7 years old and my daughter age is 5 years old. I'm a work experience as a household worker in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and finished contract. My duties and responsibility is clean the house, cooking, washing and ironing the clothes.
How do you overcome your homesickness?
I put in my mind, yes, ma'am and sir, that I am here to work and to earn money, and I will make myself busy.
If you committed mistake in your employer, what will you do?
Yes, madam and sir. If I some mistake of my employer, I will ask him sorry and sincerely.
If your holiday or day off, what will you do before you go out from your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I make sure that the house is clean and I talk my employer that I go.
What if the mother of your employer doesn't speak English? How did you communicate with them?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I do my best to learn how to speak Chinese or Mandarin to communicate with them, and as for now I will talk as a sign language.
You have last message to your future employer. Can you tell them now?
Yes, ma'am and sir. Please choose me because I'm a trustworthy, God-fearing, hardworking, and I'm willing to work as a minimum supervision.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Annalyn. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.